Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Knowify. So in this video, we will show you how to streamline your construction project management. But before we start, first let us talk about what is Knowify. So Knowify is designed to solve the construction world problems such as managing multiple projects, keep track of job costs, and handling change orders, and it can quickly become overwhelming, especially for small to mid-sized contractor. So Knowify is a cloud-based construction management software that helps contractor manage all aspects of their operation from a single integrated platform. In this video, it will help you to understand what Knowify is, what is offered, and how it can fit in your constructions management workflow. So let's start. All you have to do is go to their website and you can try their platform for free for 14 days. So simply sign in for an account. After signing up for an account, you will redirect to a dashboard which looks like this. So first you need to set all these three levels. You have to upload your company logo. So we have already uploaded my company address and our first project. So this is how we can get started. So there are a lot of main features. There are contract job services, internal projects, and you can also talk to an expert. And there are also like this. So in this transaction section, you can see purchase, bills, and invoice. We have two overdue bills and two overdue invoice. And of course, there are other important things as well, like time tracker, scheduling, tax. For inside, there is a dashboard. You can also see your reports. And for company, you can click on clients, vendor, and catalog. So, like if you want to add a new client, you have to click on here. Then you need to, like I'm going to click this one. And all I have to do is go to add new contact and give all my client important informations. And once done, all you have to do is submit. So same for anything in this dashboard. You can create and make whatever you like. So this is how the platform is. You can see all their feature in one place, and you can select anything, and you can just work with any data you like, and you're good to go. So just feel free to explore more of how you can use these features of this Knowify and get to know it very soon. So that's basically for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, hit and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.